Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create Bluesky account. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Play Store and install Bluesky on your mobile phone. Now click on the open icon and this will open up Bluesky application on your mobile phone, where you'll have to simply click on the create account button on the first screen. Now when you click on this button, you will have to simply choose your hosting provider. Click on this pencil icon, choose whether your provider will be Bluesky or another custom provider. So choose Bluesky in this, then enter your email address here. Now create a password, enter your birth date, then click on next. After you click on next, you'll have to input your user handle, then click on next. After this, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to click on I am a human. Now you'll have to complete this CAPTCHA. After you complete this step 3, you'll be successfully taken to a page where it will say welcome to Bluesky. You'll be successfully logged in to your new Bluesky account. Now after creating your account, you will see an interface that will look something like this. So that's the simple way to sign up and create a Bluesky account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.